Alright guys, thanks for tuning in, and this is Whirlpool, the cabrio. So this is our very sensitive dryer, or maybe the washer. So yeah, like I said, I did a lot of testing on this thing, and open up everything out from the bottom to the top, because like I said, very sensitive. So it doesn't mean anything that you can reset it here. You gotta do the sequence that you're going to do, like 1, 2, 3 here, or anywhere here, whatever you're gonna touch over here, you do that 1, 2, 3 here, 1, 2, 3, like that. It's gonna turn it on by itself. But like I said, it's still not going to work until you don't find out what's the real problem on it. So this one, I already did everything that they all the reset and everything like that, all the sequence that you need to do in this thing, because this all touch. So what I did, I open up the board and everything, and then you know I know it's working everything here, but the problem is not giving any control on to start that motor on the bottom. I already replaced 4 parts, all those thermal fuses and all that fuses from the elements right there. So there's a lot of fuse that I replaced, like 4 of them, just to troubleshoot this thing, because it doesn't work anything at all, even though I reset it down here. So now I dig into the uh, uh, PCB board on the bottom right here, on the side, on the back of this one. There's another PCB board, not this, not in here, the one on the bottom there. What I found out, it was burned, the connection on that, something like it looked like a what you call this thing, it's a blue color, it's like a relay. So I need to solder that. I solder it because it was burned out. As soon as I solder it, and I tester it, when I did the tester, and I see the connection, it works. And then I put it back, everything. And then as soon as I put it in, and I tried it on, then it works. So that's the only thing. So when you came across with this kind of washer or dryer, this brand right here, it's a Whirlpool, that's always go in the PCB board, because like I said, all those, because these are no, these are all touch. So this is a touch right here. So every time you press this thing, it's touch like that. So and it's a lot of things to do in here. It's not about you are replacing the part itself, but there's anything else that is going to have any problem. I already opened up everything from the bottom to the top. It says, check it, everything. So that's what I did. So now it's working perfectly fine now. Cabrio, Whirlpool, parts, replace all of them. Now let's work it, turn it on. I already did a diagnostic test. There it is. Perfect. So here's another project that I have. This is the Whirlpool. It's still new. It's only like, I believe it's 2 or 3 years old, and this already give up the diode right here, the thermal diode. So I already ordered it, because the problem is it's not heating up. All right. So that's the next project. I'm already done on this project here, this Whirlpool as well. So it's working perfectly fine, but the problem is it's not functioning. So I did already troubleshoot everything right here. All right, that's it for that Whirlpool Cambrio that I already fixed. Thanks guys for all the subscribers. Thank you, and I really appreciate that. Please don't forget to subscribe and likes, and take care. And God bless you all. Thank you, and have a nice day. Bye.